Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I completely forgot that I was getting this box until I got a knock on my door this morning, and lo and behold, my fall Fabfitfun has arrived. So what did I get in here, what my thoughts are, and do you guys think I'll keep it? Well, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so Fabfitfun is a seasonal box. I do 4 boxes a year for fall, spring, winter, and summer. It does retail for $49.99, and they should have about a $200 value, if not more. Now there are different levels of subscription that you can have for this. You can outright pay for the box. It's like, I think like $250, I believe. You pay for all 4 boxes once a year, and you get to have like the top tier subscription where you get to have the earliest access to picking out the items. So you get to have a more customized box for yourself. Or you could just choose to have it billed to you annually, so every 3 months you will get billed. Or you could have it, you don't have to have any subscription at all. You could just buy it whenever you wish to do so. The first time I ever tried Fabfitfun was actually last winter. And the company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to work with them. They gave me a discount code, and the discount code I think was like Dawson10. I don't remember at this point. All I know is when I did that video, I love that video. I still use the blanket and the slippers that I got in that to this day. But I was really embarrassed when the video was live and you guys were telling me for weeks on end that the discount code didn't work. I contacted the company and they never responded. So, you know, there is that. So I do not have a discount code with Fabfitfun, but there are so many other YouTubers that do. Like, I know that like Jen Loves Reviews has one. I know that I think Allie Klein's has one. Alexandria Ryan has one. There's so many different discount codes you guys can use. I think for like Allie Klein's, you guys can use the code Allie, and it should save you guys $10 off your first box. So instead of making it $49.99, it brings it down to $39.99. So $39.99. So with that said, we're gonna go ahead and dive on into this box. It's actually rather lightweight, which is very interesting. I don't remember what I got in here. I think I picked out the customization sometime in July. I honestly don't remember when I picked out the customization. I don't remember what I picked either. Now it's time to dive into this bad boy. I honestly don't know where to put this. So we're just gonna make this work. Okay, so as always, Fabfitfun puts in a magazine in here. And in the magazine, they have different type of stories that I never read because I just really don't care to read it. I just want to know what products I'm getting and what I could have got, what was in like the Fabfitfun choice, what was in my select member choice, and what was in every single box that every person got. So that's why I look at like this, but I don't actually like look at it because I just don't care to read it. They also always throw in a HelloFresh coupon code right here. So the first product that I see is Mason Jar Hydration Kit. What? You know what I do like about Fabfitfun? It's kind of nice to get items that are not just geared towards makeup. It's kind of nice to try something a little different. This is the bottle right here. First off, I love the color teal. Absolutely beautiful. It has like a nice little koozie on it. And then if I pull the koozie down, oh my god, that's actually really cute. It legit is a mason jar. That's actually really cute. Its own little koozie. That is so cute. I like that. Okay, so this is right here. This is the Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene and turquoise. It retails for $35, a little expensive. And this is select members. So this is where you get to pick the customization between 4 to 5 categories. Otherwise, they'll choose the best option for you. So this is something that I picked out for myself. I don't remember picking this out for myself. Is that bad? Like, is it really bad that you just really don't remember picking stuff out for you? Like, I legit have no memory of picking that out. But you know what, Allie? I mean, thank you. Go me, I guess. All right, next there's this Cosmetics. This is a hair removal device. Okay. A hair removal device. This is instantly and painlessly swept away the unwanted hair from your area of your body. Retails for $59.99, and every single Fabfitfun member actually received this in their box. So this is how the product looks. It legit. It's a freaking razor. That's actually a razor. Oh my god, could you guys imagine if they put an adult toy in one of these boxes? That'd actually be kind of cool. Just saying. All right, let's see this. Let's try this out. thing. I'm sorry. Don't mind me. Wow, that sucks. I'm sorry, but like I just tried to like shave my legs with this, and maybe this is not for shaving your legs, but it didn't do shit. So I would never, ever, ever spend $59 on this. Well, they're showing it for your face, so maybe I'm supposed to try to shave my face with this, but like how weird is it if like Corey's shaving, I'm right there next to him just like this the whole time. Hey, Corey. You know, like that's, I don't know. I really like my little small razors that you guys can find on Amazon for like a couple bucks. Like these do such a great job. I don't know how I feel about using this on my skin. I might try it on my skin. I might try it out to see how it works, but I can tell you that it definitely does not do the job when it comes to shaving the legs. Even though it might not be for shaving the legs, it says for the areas for hair, for any area in your body. No, thank you. Okay, next we got this Crease Release. Removes wrinkles. Okay, removes wrinkles. Crease Release, it's a 6B. The Laundress New York Crease Release. Easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with a spray. Essentially, when your ironing isn't an option, retails for $16. And this is a Fabfitfun pick. So this is what they picked for me. So obviously they want me to have this. Does it smell good at least? It smells like baby powder. I guess I'm gonna have to give this a try so I can let you guys know how this works. It's non-toxic, biodegradable, and allergy-free. Oh, and it says color and texture may vary with natural ingredients. So we'll definitely give this a try. I hope this works. If anyone's ever used it, let me know in the comments below. But all right, always down to try something new. Okay, next there's this. This is Jenny Bird Leanna Pendant. A hand-formed drop delicately hangs on a stamped high-polished curb chain and is layered with a box chain. Retails for $115. Why is that so expensive? What? Okay, and this is something that all members get as well. So this is what it would look like. I would put it on, but I feel like it kind of clashes with my outfit a little bit like that. And this is gonna go straight down my tit. Like it's just gonna lay right in there. So this is actually really cute. I don't know why it retails for so much. I've never even heard of this brand, but this part actually is wrapped up. I hope this is made from real silver. Maybe it says it on the back. Nowhere on here says that it's silver. So I don't know why this retails for so much. It's cute, but damn, that's expensive. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Every member gets it. Alrighty, next we have this Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. It has pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera inside of it. Ooh, a shower gel. This is this scrumptious shower gel is made with a blend of golden superfood ingredients, retails for $30. And this was once again a choice that Fabfitfun picked for me. So clearly Fabfitfun wants me to be hairless and smell good at the same time. Oh, that is so intriguing. What is that? Oh, I have smelled you before. Oh, okay. Okay, do you guys know like those icy like push pops? The pink flavor. You guys know what I'm talking about? Those like icy push pops? This is exactly what that smells like. I thought it was gonna smell like a pumpkin because like it says pumpkin and apricot in here. No, it does not. That's intriguing. I definitely have to give this a try. Okay, next we got Exfoliating Sugar Cubes Juice Cleanse. This is something that I apparently picked. This retails for $16. Harper and Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. Cleanse yourself with these delicious sugar cubes while leaving a yummy scent. Oh my god, it's a shower gel. Oh my god. Okay, I got very confused. Oh bitch, though, that smells good. It smells like a sweet cucumber. What? Oh my god. That's straight up sugar. Wow. When I said juice cleanse, I was like, oh my god, do I put this in water? Do I drink it? No, it's I shower with it, and I only use it twice a week. But that tastes pretty good. I'm not supposed to be tasting that, but that smells amazing. Okay. They really want me to be like so fresh and so clean. They want me to be like my best self right now. Okay, next we got Tranquility Sleep Mist. This is a Fabfitfun pick for me. This is formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. This mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. Sleep restrictions may apply. Retails for $22. What? Do sleep restrictions apply? Before bed, mist around your pillow and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax. Okay. So like right here. I would not want to sleep on that. I don't know. I've never been. That just smells too much, just like lavender, and I can't stand the smell of lavender. I don't know what it is. I know like a lot of people out there love the smell of lavender. I honestly can't stand it. So, thanks Fabfitfun. Alrighty. I mean, I might put this in my no waste. I'm probably gonna put this in my no waste Wednesday. I hope you're okay that I sprayed it. Whoever wins it, I do hope you're okay that I sprayed it just to try it. But yeah, that's probably gonna go straight into my no waste Wednesday because it would just sit there. Last but not least, we got a bag. Bag is Boker New York Bond Tote. All members get this. It says use this spacious carry-on to hold all your laptop, makeup bag, and more without weighing you down. Shipping restrictions may apply. $128. What? Why do you retail for so much? What is this? So I can put like my makeup bag and stuff like that in here. So this is it. This is the bag right here for your laptop, makeup bag, whatever it is you want to use to travel. Interesting. I really don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if I'd honestly ever use it. I personally don't fly that often. I'm actually really terrified to fly. I have done it, and I have videos of me crying, actually. It's rather embarrassing. But I don't have a laptop. My laptop that I had for school died like 10 years ago. Never bought a new one because I actually have a PC, so I don't really need a laptop. So that's interesting. I don't know if I'm going to keep that, actually. I might end up just putting that into my no waste Wednesday because I would hate for that just to sit here, get no use whatsoever, and it just collect dust. Like, I don't want to be wasteful like that. So you're probably going to see that in my September edition of No Waste Wednesday. But I'm going to calculate everything that I got in this box. I'm seeing like some people are getting like styling cream, looks like candles. Like this bag right here I think is kind of cute. That's like a cute bag, and there's like this white version right there. You can get like a curling iron, scarf, some palette. Not really too much, some glasses. Honestly, this month looks a little disappointing if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. All of it has to do with a lot of skincare and or like bath and spa care. That's really what a lot of these items in this magazine is showing me that they're catering to this month. And that's a little disappointing because like they always like hype it up. I feel like every subscription box hypes it up going, yo, this is it. This is this shit. And then you're looking at it going, that's crap. You know, so this is definitely not my favorite Fabfitfun box. My favorite one to this day is still my winter one of last year. That one was the prettiest one. Hopefully winter this year will be really good as well. I know things have been different because of COVID, and I try to be as understanding as possible that life is different right now, but it's still a little irritating. You're like, damn. Okay. But I mean, I did pay for it. I mean, it's been paid for since spring. I paid for the whole year's worth. So, I mean, I think my next 2 boxes are still free, and then I have to decide if I'm going to do monthly, quarterly, or yearly. And I'll decide then. But let me go ahead and add up everything, see if this box was worth it. Alrighty, guys. So adding up everything from this box, my retail value is $421.99. That's insane. That is stupidly insane. I think the reason why it's so expensive is because you have that like pendant necklace that retails for $115, and then you have like this tote bag that retails for $120. I think that's why it's making this box have a higher value, because 2 items are over $100 each. I know some people right here are really going to value this box. I know some people right here are really going to love this box. It says that the total box value retails anywhere between $214 to $544, just depending on the items that you got. Whenever you are a member, you do get 1 to 3 customizations. Whenever you're a select member, you do get 4 to 5, and then Fabfitfun kind of fills in the rest for you as well. So I do like how they have different tiers of customization. Like I really do like that fact. But like if you're a Fabfitfun member like I am, where you pay for the year, when the system pops up, you see 4 choices and you got to pick one out of the 4 choices, and you got to keep going on to like the different levels. So I feel like that's why like I forget what I pick, because they send it out like 2 months in advance before. So I think I'll probably get my, like in October, send me like what my picks are for the winter box, and then by the time I get it in like December, I always forget what I got because I picked it back in October. But I do actually, I mean, I do like this box. I do. It's just not one of my favorites. I mean, I'm excited for some of the items, like the water bottle I'm excited for. I'm gonna try out this shower gel. I think that'll be cool. The necklace is cute. The scrubs, oh my god, I think the biggest thing I'm more excited about is like that sugar scrub. Like that smells so freaking good. And then everything else, they're all right. You know, it's definitely not my favorite. So I still like it. I still like it in this box. I like doing these videos. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures, amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in tomorrow's video. And in tomorrow's video, I will have my murder a mystery video finally coming out for you guys. So what look did I create? You guys will have to find out. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Getting box. They have 4 different variations, and you just buy it every single month. You hold 10 to 8 inches. Like two items. I'll probably get my fall picking. I'll probably get my winter. I think in October they'll care out of the equation and do more. I really do. I don't know.